Okay. You want to come out and play or no? Okay, all right, let's go in. Let's go in. Psych! Okay, all right. Well, anyways, people of the internet, people of the Hulk life, good morning. Let me just put you in on a little bit of, how my morning went. So we got some, we got a shipment in. Inspect for damage before accepting. Waterfall. Oh, mail guys here. Lawnmower time. Okay, so got the puppies going to work now. My first day with them, you guys weren't here, so second day with them, you can be here. We got Raiden up first. Alright. So, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna go into the shade a bit. Oops. This one's a good one. Out of my assessments of them all, he's probably one of the best ones here. And he should be fun. Hopefully we can... Oops. Pull it out of him, but he's pretty lively. I'm gonna put the camera down up here. Sec. calm down. It's conditioning, right? So that's what we're doing. This is working. This is not for the fluffies, eh? Good boy! Look at him, he's like, ha. So part of this is that we want to teach him to, good boy, to bring it back, because he knows that the fun is when I'm engaged with him. So that's what we're teaching. Oh yeah, good. So it's basically just like, I'm like sparring with him right now. Just like base, just like you would, like almost like a child. Teach him a good counter. Good. Good. This, I feel, I have a, he's very much into this. I have a good feeling about this guy. Woohoo. Oh, good. So we'll keep him on this for a little while and then we'll change it up. Good. Good boy. Oh my God, he's great. He's great. So we don't want to let him chew it. But the key is, right, we don't want to follow him, we want him to follow us. So that's what we do. I leave, he follows. Not the other way around. That's what we gotta do. There he is. So he doesn't do the, see what you don't want is a dog that thinks the game is like you chase him, right? The game is the engagement, not I chase you around. Yes, good. Oh, good. It's hard to do with one hand. You really can't properly do this with one hand because it's uneven in his mouth now. So you really can't properly play with him unless you go two hands. Now what you're getting is tired. So you got tired right now. So that's what we got going on here. But this is the important part. This is the important part here. Make sure we get him nice and juiced at the end. Yes. Yes. Good boy. Yes. It's very important that you always let him know he's good. He gave you what you wanted. Good, happy guy. Good boy. I'm taking to the river. So you come in here and you pee in the water. Bro, you could have done that. At least you peed right where it's flowing. But bro, you could have done that like up there and then now you're drinking it. Now you're drinking it. It's okay. It probably flowed all out of there. There you go. He's like, huh, yeah, we just worked. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just lay in this river. This is so good. I love where we live. Beautiful guy hanging out getting cool in a river. This would be a really beautiful scene if you didn't first pee in the river. But it's still a pretty beautiful scene. Look at how the water's trickling over your leg like that. Bro, this is epic. You gonna go on your side? Hey, I'm chilling. This is the best. I love rivers. Now you can really see it. Now you can really see it. You are a beautiful dog, you are. You are crazy, bro. Look at that. I've never seen anything like that, I gotta say. He's like, don't get up. I don't want to get up. This guy is chilling. Big chilling. is real life. I don't know who we need to fire, but somebody is not very good at their job. That's all I know. That's about all I can say about this right here. I don't know. Like I said, yeah, you can be either real good at your job, or you can be like this guy. Come on, freaking Forrest, dude. Yeah, let's show him that I'm good at this shit. How we got it? Forrest.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan.
These are the two that I've selected, right, that are able to, I believe, that are able to carry on this task. Good boy. This guy is like, he loves it. He loves it. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Forrest. Good. 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 Boy. It's also been, it's hot today. They've kind of been outside and hot, so he's a bit more tired. But he's great. He is great. He's great. Good boy, Forrest. Good boy. Good boy. That's what we want. Just building up the engagement, building up the drive a bit. You watch me work with these ones. These ones, I believe, they got it all. So, hopefully, turn this up. Good job, Forrest. Okay, I'm really tired now. I'm just gonna get a drink. You gonna not pee in the water? Come on, Forrest.
We are heroes tonight.
These two doesn't poop in the water, okay? That's what Vinny does. We're out here about to get some food. Littleton.
I was telling, oh.
She's on the phone. She's always on the phone. It's my assistant. Bing. Now you can put a face to it, yeah? Anybody like fish? Brian, my man Brian in the flesh, DDK West Coast as well. So double tags. Bing. Bing, bing. But we're hungry. Lisa, your car is needing a bath. Yeah, I took it through the wash. Yeah, she's clean now.
Why? Oh, we saw the guy who got his phone. It was on top of his car, and it flew off.
Who?
The guy that you passed, and we were behind. It was in shambles.
Oh, he was filming me? So, like I was, because I think that's on video where I was talking to you about people behind us filming. You see the car behind us? They're probably like somebody that's like trying to film the car, or like, or not get it, you know, get it close up, because they're like, we're just ripping. So what did you say happened?
So the car that you guys had passed, the gentleman was, his phone flew out into the center divider, and it was because he was filming you. In pieces. It shambled and hit in the middle. Yeah. He
They were
pulled
trying to-
over. He pulled over.
They were trying to figure it out for a minute, like why, but I was like, oh no, if he was behind me and I passed him, because there was a car behind me that kept speeding up and trying to get close to me. Was it the SUV?
No,
Or-
it was like a gray car. It's like a Honda or something?
Yeah, Honda Pilot.
Yeah.
It was a Honda Pilot.
Yeah.
You guys said the Honda Pilot, bro. Exactly. Oh. Sorry, bro. Listen, you probably got some epic shots, though. You got to get that SD card, though. So I gave you a couple pulls.
Show him. No, this is nothing. No, this shit is wild. No, go show him. Come over here real quick. 2 seconds. This just happened. Hey, no, Jack. This just happened. 2 seconds.
Where's the little one?
Right here.
The other one over there.
Oh, hell
Her hands are smelling so nasty
They
right
already
now.
do. Wait, is this a garter?
They're all
this one
peed
is a
on. Those
garter
are all
snake.
garter snakes. That one's got his mouth open.
no. Nah, man.
She's like, who does that? Opens the mouth and then just goes for it. Like, what?
Here's the little one.
He knows how to make use of that water. Oh, he's big chilling. He's like, I know what to do with this water. These little guys don't know what to do with this water. This is what you do. You lay in it. Look at this guy. Oh, yeah. This is like the coldest water you could imagine. What are you? They're like, oh, we thought you guys were imposters. I jumped over and bumped you. This guy here. Look at this thing. What? How big do I think he is? I don't know. I mean, he's, yeah. Probably close to one. Probably close to like 150. I'd say that, maybe like 147, 38, something like that. He's hefty, he's big. You gonna do a duck? You gonna do a duck? Oh, Karen. She's like, I am really good. I'm really excited. Hey, Karen, just bumping in everybody? Yep. What do you just, girl, do you have any coordinates? Yeah, bump into your coordinates. Good morning, people of the Hulk life. So it's out here. So again, we're on the... My life's just too damn busy to be doing videos every other day. But I try my best, and just crazy shit always happening. So what we got going on, trying to carry on some different, some different tasks. So we'll update you with Albert, what's going on there. Give you an update with Netflix. It's kind of stuff that I brought into the vlog that I've been showing you guys so we can follow on with that. There's SOO stuff. Going crazy. So, but yeah, we're back again, until I travel. And then it's like I can't keep up with them when I travel. But I got a podcast coming out with a podcast. Y'all better listen. I'm building up one of my rooms to be completely like a studio, basically, for the podcast. So it's going to be perfect. I'm going to bring so many dope people on. It's going to be epic. So, yeah, hell yeah. Fuck yes for that. So sign up for that. So the season's kind of tapering down a bit. I swear summer went by so fast this year. I didn't do like anything. I was just super busy. So I was going on just busy. I didn't really get to do shit. So it's coming to an end. We're kind of getting ready to prep for our descend into winter. I'm pretty bad with like showing things on film, but that was there. It fell down. I'm sweating. Yeah. And I got a building that I'm going to put down there, just like that one there. And then I got to build decks off it and the kennels onto it. So I got to get that done in the next, month. So that's all kind of prepped for winter. She's like, I can easily jump. I got this.
Oh god, that's why. No way.
So she's going to the vet to find out if Nikki is pregnant with Hulk's puppies from all that. So yeah, puppy vibes in the comments.